Chapter 6. Contract of Carriage. Carriage. Carriage refers an act of transporting or carrying goods. Roughly speaking, the people from one place to another by the different means of within the country or beyond the country. Contract of carriage. The contract made between a carrier and the owner or consignor of goods for the carriage of goods from one place to another, known as contract of carriage. Kinds of carrier. On the basis of nature of carrier: private carrier, common carrier. On the basis of reward they receive: gratuitous carrier, non-gratuitous carrier. On the basis of things they carry: passenger carrier, goods carrier. On the basis of means of carriage: land, roadways carries. It includes private carrier, common carrier, water, seaways carrier, airways carrier. Carries by goods by land. Private carrier. A private carrier is the carrier who carries the goods of other from one place to another, not as a regular business of carrier. Common carrier. A common carrier is a person, either an individual or a firm or a company. Characteristics of a common carrier: it may be an individual or a firm or a company, either private or public, but it is not a government carrier. Carrying goods is its regular business. It carries only the goods of owner or consignor. It always carries the good through a fixed or particular or customary route. It carries goods without discrimination. It is non-gratuitous carrier. Rights and duties of a common carrier. Duties of a common carrier: duty not to make discrimination, duty to carry the goods with reasonable care, skill and diligence, duty to carry and deliver the goods within a reasonable time, duty to deliver the goods to the receiver or consignee of the goods, duty to deliver the goods at the fixed place, duty to pay compensation, duty to communicate in case of emergency, duty to insure the goods. First carrier to be held responsible in case goods are carried through several means of carriage. Rights of a common carrier: right to refuse the goods from carrying them, right to receive remuneration, right to be indemnified, right of compensation, right to receive extra remuneration for extra work, right of lien. Liabilities of a common carrier: to be liable for compensation for the loss, damage, or destruction of the goods, whatsoever may be the reason; to be liable to deliver the goods to a proper place in the proper condition; to be liable to carry the good at a fixed or within a reasonable time; to be liable to take proper care of the good during the goods are in his custody. Liability of a common carrier: to be limited. Act of good: inherent defects of goods. Exoneration by law from liability. Termination of common carrier's liability: in case the common carrier or his agent delivers them to the owner or his agent; in case the goods delivered to the common carrier are received by the owner or consignor or his agent; in case the goods are returned back to the owner or consignor of goods or his agent. Carriage of goods by sea: the act of transportation of goods through sea route or by ship from one port to another port is known as the carriage of goods by sea. Types of affreightment contract. Charter party bill of lading. Charter party contract. A charter party contract may be two types: time charter, voyage charter. Further, the charter party, either it is time or voyage charter, it may be with demise or without demise. Charter party with demise. Charter party without demise. Carriage of goods by air. Law applicable to airways services. Warsaw Convention 1929. Hague Protocol 1955. Documents of carriage: passenger ticket, luggage ticket, airway bill. Incoterms 2010. A brief introduction. The Incoterms or international commercial terms are the trade terms published by the International Chamber of Commerce (ICC), which is commonly used in both international and domestic trade contracts. The Incoterms rules are intended primarily to clearly communicate the tax, cost, and risks associated with the transportation and delivery of goods. Universal Incoterms EXW X works named place of loading. FCA free carrier named place of delivery. CPT carries paid to named place of destination. CIP carries an insurance paid to named place of destination. DAT delivered at terminal named terminal at port or place of destination. DAP delivered at place named place of destination. DDP delivered duty paid named place of destination. Incoterms applying only to sea and inland waterway transport. FAS free alongside ship named port of shipment. FOB free on board named port of shipment. CFR cost and freight named port of destination. CIF cost, insurance and freight named port of destination.